मैनेजर स्लैश सीनियर इंजीनियर प्लानिंग डिस्प्ले डैश बड़ोदरा गुजरात 25,000 रुपये माइनस 46,356 रुपये अ मंथ. Apply now. Job description. You will work independently and will be result-oriented. Fluency in written correspondence and verbal communication with clients is expected. Execution of jobs within framework of costing and time schedule. Management reporting, planning/scheduling of work and follow-up actions. Suggest and be involved in recruitment of suitable manpower for the functioning of different departments of company. Job type, full-time salary, 25,000 रुपये माइनस 46,356 रुपये per month. Schedule day shift experience. Total work 8 years. Preferred speak with the employer. +91 026672644045